Perched high above the great ocean road on Victoria's rugged coastline, the Fairhaven Beach House by John Wardle Architects commands breathtaking panoramic views of the Southern Ocean. From its ridgeline vantage point, the house overlooks the surf beach below, with its design cleverly oriented to take full advantage of the coastal scenery. Every aspect of the house, its proportions, orientation, and window dimensions, has been tailored to frame specific views, offering a thoughtfully choreographed experience of the landscape. In this way, the house becomes more than just a place to stay. Externally, the house is clad in a green-gray zinc, chosen for its durability and its ability to blend harmoniously with the surrounding scrub and tea tree landscape. The zinc cladding gives the house a muted, earthy appearance that reflects the tones of the natural environment, allowing it to sit quietly within its coastal setting. The subtle sheen of the zinc catches the light differently throughout the day, making the house seem to shift and change as the sun moves across the sky. In contrast to the rugged exterior, the interior of the house is entirely lined with warm timber. This timber cladding creates a cocoon-like effect, enveloping the inhabitants in a space that feels both grounded and luxurious. The tactile quality of the wood brings warmth and a sense of comfort, encouraging a deep connection between the residents and the house itself. The natural tones of the timber complement the ever-present views of the ocean, creating a harmonious balance between the built environment and the untamed landscape beyond. The house is designed to be experienced as a journey, with each step bringing new surprises. As the main living space opens up, the large window aperture perfectly frames the ocean beyond, offering a cinematic panorama of the coastline. This aperture acts as a focal point, pulling your gaze outward toward the vastness of the sea, while the interior spaces remain intimate and protective. The design ensures that the relationship between the house and its natural surroundings is always at the forefront, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor environments. Upon arrival, the spatial journey through the house is akin to a carefully directed play, where each room and space unfolds with intentionality. The design process is likened to scenography, a theatrical arrangement of sensory experiences and spatial transitions. As you move through the house, the architecture gradually builds anticipation, holding back the full reveal of the ocean view until you reach the heart of the home, the main living space. Entering beneath a cantilevered study, you pass through a striking vertical entryway that rises dramatically, emphasizing the contrast between the compressed approach and the openness that awaits. The architectural twists and folds along this path enhance the sense of transformation, leading to the horizontal expanse of the living area, where the ocean comes into full view. Throughout the house, the eye is continually drawn toward the dramatic outlook beyond the windows. The designers have ensured that no matter where you are within the home, the ocean view is never far from sight. This constant visual connection to the surrounding environment enhances the sense of immersion in the coastal setting, making it feel as though the house is an extension of the landscape rather than a separate entity. The result is a living experience that is both tranquil and dynamic, where the power of nature is always present. Every detail of the Fairhaven Beach House has been carefully considered to heighten the experience of living by the sea. From the journey through the house to the choice of materials, each element works together to create a home that is not only beautiful, but also deeply connected to its environment. The house feels alive, constantly shifting in response to the changing light and weather conditions, offering a living experience that is as fluid and ever-changing as the ocean itself. In the end, the Fairhaven Beach House is more than just a structure. It is an invitation to experience the rugged beauty of the southern coast in a way that is both intimate and expansive. The architects have created a space that allows its inhabitants to fully embrace the natural world while offering the comfort and protection of a thoughtfully designed home. It is a place where the line between inside and outside blurs, and where every moment is framed by the stunning backdrop of the ocean.